going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. The 23rd of July, Tuesday here. We're taking a look at the E-mini Russell 2000 Index Futures. This is the futures product. RTY /RTY daily chart. Taking a look at the Russell here. So we are long the Russell. We've been long the Russell for a little while now. We had a very, very nice move to the upside, a huge breakout to the upside. The Russell was basically consolidating, basically going back to after a huge run December of 23, massive run here to the upside, and basically not too much going on here, but a choppy action here. Markets printed a let's see here, we have a pretty good low that came in April, lower high, higher low, higher high. Took out some very important highs right here as well as right here. This thing just took off like a rocket, making a, was that about a 12 to 13% move right before it started to make some big green candles there. Once again, we are long the Russell 2000. It's been a while since we were long the Russell. The small caps as well as the Dow have been underperforming the S&P and the NASDAQ. So we were just patiently waiting and wondering when this thing was going to start to move. And I was very surprised, waiting patiently, knowing it would happen, just didn't know when we started to see some very large green candles here. For example, here's a 3%, 1.8, another 3% day. Pretty aggressive pullback we got here off the top, but we're gonna try to hold this one out here, as I think it is just getting started. As long as the rest of the markets don't roll over, in an aggressive way, I think the Russell as well as the Dow Jones are just getting started, and we are hopefully going to benefit from a nice rise in price here. We'll see, guys. Like I said, the S&Ps and the NASDAQ have went on a one hell of a run. I'll say that. And the small caps, the Russell, as well as the Dow Jones, have not participated in that. And, a couple days back or so, they looks like they are getting ready. The money is shifting perhaps from the NASDAQ and the S&P into the small caps and the Russell. So we have bright times ahead, we think, for the Russell. Let's try to find the Dow Jones here. Let's see here. Let's go to the futures. We'll go to here. Here's the Dow Jones, the micro E-mini Dow Jones futures. So the MYMs, we're actually long the micros as well. Again, the higher low, we put in a new higher high. We took out two important highs right here. Very important. Took that out. Have moved. Let's see here. A very nice run. This is a higher low. Very, very nice run. Pretty nasty day, though, to be honest with you, but we're still in this position until stopped out. This is quite the bearish engulfing candle here, followed by another nasty day. Little recovery yesterday, really nothing to, basically nothing to even talk about. And we'll see today. The markets are creeping back up, but we'll see if it can recover from that nasty bearish engulfing candle, or if this little rising wedge here continues to break to the downside. But we'll see. Again, we're long the Russell, we're long the Dow. We are flat the NASDAQ, we are flat the S&P 500. And of course, we'll get back into them if they can recover. But like I said, the Dow and the Russell are lagging those other two markets. So it's interesting to see, maybe there was a decent money shift, big money, smart money out of the S&Ps and the Nasdaq, and they're heavily into the Russell and the Dow. I have a little bit more confidence in the Russell recovering than I do the Dow. The Russell didn't get this bearish engulfing candle. It did sell off, but the Dow did. So, anyways, we'll see what happens here. Markets aren't sustainable when they go parabolic like this either. So to see a sharp recovery and then maybe we start to trend in a normal fashion, hey, time will tell. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Of course, not financial advice. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Check out this trend right here. Massive, massive trend to the upside. Long consolidation, and we're hoping we get another big trend here. Thanks, guys.